Looking for a tool combo kit that's built to perform, last, and deliver professional results every time? Meet the DEWALT 20V MAX Brushless 2-Tool Combo Kit DCK277D2, a powerhouse solution for any serious DIYer or contractor. Want to know why this is a must-have in your tool arsenal? When you invest in tools, you want reliability, precision, and durability. The DEWALT 20V MAX Brushless 2-Tool Combo Kit brings all of that and more. In this kit, you get two of DEWALT's top-performing tools, the DCD777 drill driver and the DCF787 impact driver. Together, these tools handle everything from light maintenance tasks to heavy-duty construction work, all powered by advanced brushless motor technology, giving you up to 57% more runtime over brushed models. Ready to take your work to the next level? Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll understand why you can't miss out on this set. First, let's talk about the DCD777 drill driver. Compact, lightweight, and engineered for efficiency, this tool allows you to work in tight spaces without losing power. Its high-performance motor delivers 340 UWO unit watts out, and with its variable speed trigger, you have total control over your drilling speed, whether you're drilling into wood, metal, or plastic. Then there's the DCF787 impact driver. With up to 1/500 inch-pounds of torque and a max speed of 2,800 RPM, this tool makes light work of even the toughest jobs, like driving large fasteners or working with dense materials. The compact size ensures you can maneuver easily in tight spaces, and the precision drive feature helps prevent over-tightening or stripping fasteners. What sets this combo kit apart is DEWALT's advanced brushless motor technology. With brushless motors, you get longer runtime, more durability, and less maintenance compared to brush tools. Why? Because there are no brushes to wear down. That means less friction, cooler motors, and more power for longer stretches, so you can get more done with fewer interruptions. Whether you're on a professional job site or working on home projects, you'll appreciate how these tools keep up with your demands. One of the best features of this kit is its portability. Both tools are compact and lightweight, making them perfect for working overhead or in tight spaces. You won't need to worry about fatigue setting in when you're working long hours. And let's face it, having a powerful tool that doesn't weigh you down? That's a game changer. Each tool runs on DEWALT's 20V MAX lithium-ion batteries, known for their long-lasting power and quick charge times. And here's the kicker. This kit includes 2 batteries and a charger. You'll always have one battery ready to go while the other charges. Plus, DEWALT's entire 20V MAX system is compatible across a range of tools, making this kit an investment that keeps paying off. When you buy DEWALT, you're investing in tools that are built to last. This combo kit is no different. These tools are engineered to withstand harsh conditions, whether it's job site dust, heavy loads, or long hours. DEWALT backs this kit with a 3-year limited warranty, so you can work with confidence, knowing your investment is protected. So are you ready to elevate your toolkit with the DEWALT 20V MAX Brushless 2-Tool Combo Kit DCK277D2? Click the link in the video description and the first pinned comment to get yours today. Don't wait, your next project deserves the power and precision only DEWALT can offer. Add this kit to your collection now and experience the difference professional-grade tools make. Click in the link now.